Great day at Mercedes-Benz in Huntsville, Alabama. This is Dan Proctor. Today I want to show you a little bit about our 2025, now this is a used vehicle, but a 2025 GLA 250. So the GLA means it's a smaller SUV. It's in fact our smallest SUV. And this is a great one. It fits great. It fits well in the garage. And as far as peace of mind, it's certified pre-owned. So you get all of the manufacturer warranty. There's only 15,000 miles on it right now. And whenever that runs out for time or mileage, they add on the certified pre-owned warranty, 12 months unlimited miles. So a great value. These run between 35 and 40,000, and it's just an example of a certified pre-owned car, late model. Boy, why not get a new one and not get hit with the depreciation? Dan at Mercedes-Benz, 256-777-1603.